Hello, I wanted to show you how to get additional industry information from the hack databases. So I clicked on the link to the hack databases and went to books, journals, and article databases. We're going to scroll down to Hoover's Online. We want to go there. And then I'm going to search for Apple, as I have been doing. And then once we're in there, what we want to do is click on the primary industry that Apple's in. So when we get to the main Apple page, if you click on this industry link, that's their primary industry, which is communications equipment. And then if you click on the left here, industry snapshot, that will give you, if you scroll down, what's affecting that industry or that market currently. So it gives you all of the things that are affecting that industry. There's also some things on marketing, purchasing, and so on. But the main things to look at are what's affecting the market. I hope that helps with your research. And as always, ask any questions on the discussion boards.